This recipe for Mexican sausage wraps is absolutely delicious, but I'll be honest, not entirely sure Mexican sausages are a real thing, or certainly not how I'm making them in this recipe. They're probably more of a kofte, to be honest, but they are absolutely delicious regardless of what we're going to call them. The chorizo gives everything that beautiful, smoky, rich flavour, and then when you start adding in things like the avocado, the lime, and the coriander, it's just this taste of Mexico on your plate. So if you serve these up next time you want a quick midweek meal, I guarantee they will go down faster than an ice-cold Corona on a sunny, hot Mexican beach. All you need to do for this is to just grab a food processor or blender and add in your pork mince along with some tomato puree, 2 garlic cloves, 100 grams of chorizo, and then 1 tablespoon of fajita spice mix. And then all you've got to do from there is just pop the lid on it, blitz it until it is nice and combined. Then divide the mixture into 8 and then shape them into somewhat questionable looking shapes. We'll just call them koftas. And you can pop them on the barbecue like I'm doing, or you can air fry them, grill, or pan fry. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people will get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. Now for serving these, you can be pretty flexible, but what I'm doing is I'm going to use a tortilla wrap, and then I'm going to add some hot salsa, a couple of the sausages, and then things like cheese, sliced avocado, coriander. You could put some sour cream on it. You could do pan-fried peppers, whatever you like. Just build them up, give them a squeeze of lime, and then just roll them up to try and stop everything falling out. And then just get stuck in and enjoy. So there we have it, Mexican sausage wraps. Hope you enjoy this recipe. It makes a cracking lunch and a really good midweek dinner as well. If you want to cook something quickly that you know is going to taste delicious. If you'd like the full recipe, as always, you can find it inside my Food for Fitness recipes app, along with about 300 other recipes. If you just click the link below in the description, you can download that and you get this recipe and loads of others. And yeah, that's all there is left for me to say about it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you back here on the channel very soon. See ya. Oh, I'm looking forward to this. I mean, look at that. It's looking good. It's good.